Welcome to Restoration EIS, an estimating, invoicing, and documentation management system for restoration contractors. My name is Mark Harrison. I am one of the owners and a contractor just like you. Other programs were not easy to use and were missing many of the features that we wanted, so we decided to create our own. It was extremely important that our program was user-friendly and lightning fast. The program is built for water, fire, mold, construction, roofing, cleaning, and many other industries. There are many features you can use. Watch how fast I can make an invoice.
Now we're on our scope. As you can see, the button is highlighted in blue. Okay, so right now we're on bathroom in the different areas. We're going to work on our bathroom. Mitigation from our list of different scopes. We're choosing mitigation. And I'm looking for the line item water extraction. I need the water extraction area, and I need water extraction from hard surface floor. And that will be for the bathroom. And I will select after hours as well. Next up is in the plumbing section. I'm looking for sink double bowl detach, and that's also for the bathroom. And also in plumbing, I need a P-trap assembly, ABS plastic remove, that's also in bath. And one more in plumbing, I need the plumbing fixture supply line remove, that's in bath. And the next one is in cabinets, and I'm looking for cabinet vanity tear out. That is also for the bath. And now I'm going to go down to baseboard area, and it's just baseboard for my description. And I will select all on this one for all the three areas. So that line item will go to all three areas. And now I need drywall trim. The line item is drywall wet up to 4 foot tall. Tear out, clean up, and bag for disposal. I'm going to choose all, in other words, all three areas. Okay, that is chosen. Okay, now I want insulation. And my line item is insulation, wet, tear out, and bag for disposal. And I will choose all for that one as well, for all three areas. That line item gets sent simultaneously. And equipment is the next one. This is all for bathroom. I need air mover centrifugal at floor. And this time I want to choose for the bathroom and bedroom, for those two. And okay, so now bathroom is done. Now what I want to do is go to the bedroom, okay, and start selecting line items. I need water extraction again, and this time I need water extraction from carpeted floor. And that's going to be for bedroom and closet and after hours. Okay, that one's after hours. And back to flooring, I need carpet wet, non-salvageable cut, tear out, and bag for disposal. And on that one, I will choose bedroom and closet for that one. And the next one, which is also in flooring, will be the carpet pad, cut and tear out and bag for disposal. That one will also be bed and closet, two different areas. And flooring again, for tackless strip, tear out and bag for disposal. That one is for bed and closet as well, two different areas. And that will close out for the bedroom. That's done. So now I am needing the closet. Okay, this is the last area for areas. I'm looking for equipment. And let's see. I will go for, let's see, I'm going to need equipment, and I'm going to need air removal axle. And that is for the closet only. Okay, that's done. Now the last but not least area is the miscellaneous. These are my miscellaneous line items that I want to put in, not areas anymore. So I will go down to miscellaneous and I will take labor for emergency service call. And I'll take another labor for emergency, or I should say equipment setup, takedown, and monitoring. And dump trash, haul debris, including dump fees. And lastly, PPE, personal protection equipment, add for personal protection equipment heavy duty. And that's the last one. And that's how easy it is to select line items, and that quick. Okay, now we're going to go to the estimate, and we're going to be working in the bathroom, and we're going to do our area dimensions for the bathroom, which is 8.6 by 10.3, and the square foot affected floor is the same, so I'll click on the same as overall button. I'll get the same measurements, and then I'm going to set up my linear foot overall floor perimeter, 8.6, 10.3, 8.6, and 10.3. These are my linear foot measurements, and that will help me with baseboard or tack strip. Okay, my linear foot overall ceiling height is 9, and I'll click OK. And now the first thing I have to do, as you can see, the area dimensions are done. And the first item is quantity for water extraction, which is 88.58. And you can see that I got that up there in the area dimensions. It's very useful. I use that all the time to get the measurements. Okay, next item is quantity for sink, which is 1. And the item note, I already added that, the note for the sink, that's done. And next item is quantity for the P-trap is 2. Quantity for the plumbing fixture is 4. Quantity for cabinet is 4. And the quantity for the baseboard is 32.5. Quantity for the drywall is the same, 32.5. And then my note has already been added for the drywall, that's done. Quantity for insulation is 130. And my total days for the air mover is 5. And the quantity for the air mover is 6. And then I'm going to add a note for the air movers. And I will type that in my drop down right there under the note section. And the air movers had been unplugged on 2 different days. And that's what I'm needing. That looks good. I'll click OK. Okay, the next thing I have to do is I need to add a craftsman line item. So to do that, I'm going to click the C for craftsman. And this is going to be only for the bathroom, so I'll select next. And the category will be cabinets, so I'll select cabinets. And the subcategory is bathroom and vanity cabinet. And I want select replace high grade. I'm selecting there. And then I'm going to add that item right there. And I'll click on OK. Alright, now that I added that, I'm going to fill in the quantity for that. Quantity for bathroom vanity cabinet is 4. Okay, so that's done. And I'm going to select the tax on the right hand side. That's done. I'm going to select O and P. And that's done. And on the area notes, I've already added the bathroom notes there. And then you can see here at the bottom, that's my bathroom totals. And just like that, the bathroom's done. So let's move on. I'm going to go to the bedroom area now. So this here, I've already added the bedroom area dimensions. Okay, so that's already done. I'm going to look for the quantity for water extraction, and that's going to be 168.84. And the quantity for the baseboard is 48.3. Quantity for the carpet is 168.84. And on my notes, I've already added the line item note for the carpet, so I'm not worried about that anymore. The quantity for the carpet pad is 168.84. And the quantity for the tackless strip is 48.3. And I've already added the note for tackless strip. That's done. Quantity for drywall is 48.3. And the quantity for insulation is 193.2. Total days for the air mover is 5. And the quantity for air movers is 8. And my line items are already done. The note for the line items for the air mover is already done. Okay, so now I want to go to my scope for the bedroom area. The reason is I want to add a line item for a dehumidifier, extra large. So I'm going back to the scope, and I'm going to go into the bedroom, and that's where it is already. And then I'm in the equipment section. I have to look for the line item. So I'm adding a line item that I didn't have before, and I went back to the scope. So here's the dehumidifier will be under the equipment section. It's the extra large one that I'm looking for. And that's the one right there. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I'm going to click. It's in the bedroom only, and I will click OK. Okay, now I'm going back to the estimate. Okay, so those two work hand in hand. So as you can see, my line item is there. The dehumidifier is right there. Okay, so that's perfect. So I'm going to put my total days at 5 for the dehumidifier, and then it's just one dehumidifier. Okay, so that's done. We just added that line item and put the information for it. And I also want to add a note for the dehumidifier. And let me put that in there. So the dehumidifier covers the bathroom, bedroom, and the walk-in closet. And that will help the insurance company or whoever's examining this bill understand what's going on. Okay, now I want to add an area note. This is a different type of note. We'll put that in there as well. Carpets were partially removed from the bedroom, but were still in place. Okay, that's good right there. That's going to help me a lot. And then there's my bedroom totals right under there. So just like that, the bedroom is now done. Okay, moving on. This invoice is going quick. All right, we have the walk-in closet area, and as you can see, the area dimensions were already done. And now I've already added the walk-in closet area dimensions, as I said, and then I want to do quantity for water extraction is 65.52, and the quantity for the baseboard is 33.4. And the quantity for the carpet is 65.52. And quantity for the carpet pad is the same, 65.52. Okay, and I already added the note for the carpet pad. That's good. Quantity for tackless strip is 33.4. And I've already added the note for the tackless strip as well. And the quantity for the drywall is 33.4. And I've already added the note for the drywall as well. Quantity for the insulation is 133.6. And the total days for the air mover is 5. And the quantity for the air mover is 2. And I've already added the walk-in closet notes for there, so that's good. And here is the total for the closet. That's the total right there. So that's done. Okay. All right. Now, at the very bottom, under our miscellaneous, we have our signatures at the very bottom. That's for later. We'll worry about that for later. Okay, now in the miscellaneous section, I want to do that. Quantity for equipment setup, takedown, and monitoring is 5. And the emergency service call is 1. And I already have the item note for emergency service call, so that's good. Quantity for haul debris is 1. And quantity for adding for PPE, personal protection equipment, is 4. And on that line item, I'm going to select tax, okay? So I can get the tax on that. Super easy to select that. Okay, and then for the, there's the miscellaneous totals right there, so that's done. Okay, and then you can see now that I have a note here for miscellaneous that's already been entered in, so that's finished as well. Here's the miscellaneous subtotal, and then here's the deductible that was subtracted from the subtotal, and here's the miscellaneous total. And as I said, the signatures are going to be collected later. All right. So look how well laid out these line items are. It's fantastic. It's just so easy to understand. Okay. All right. So I went back to the top of the page, and now I'm going to change the estimate to an invoice. Okay. It's super easy to do by clicking right there. See how easy it was to build an invoice. It's that fast.